Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This was Bro for Learning. So this video is going to be the second part of Mughal quiz. So yeah, and it is also going to contain the answers of the last previous quiz. So Genghis Khan, the first question was Mughals originated from. So this is the answer. Genghis Khan from their mother's side and the fifth generation of Timur who attacked Delhi Sultanate in 1398 from their father's side. Now second question was who encouraged Babur to attack in India? So the answer is Daulat Khan Lodi. Now the third question was arrange the Mughal empire like Mughal rulers in the sequence Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. Now the fourth question was who introduced Rupaya, organized military and postal system. So Sher Shah Suri organized and introduced Rupaya. Now the fifth question was with the help of which ruler, Persian ruler, did the Humayun take help? So Shah Tahmasp. Now the sixth question was who was also known as Khan-e-Khan. So the answer is Bairam Khan. Now let's move on to the next question was who was the Wazir of the dynasty. So Himu was the Wazir. Now the eighth question was Jodhabai was the daughter of which king? So the answer is Raj Bihari Mal. Now the ninth question was after winning the battle of Haldighati, Rana Pratap established his new capital at. So the answer is Chavan. Now the 10th question was who martyred the Guru Arjan Dev. So the answer is Jahangir. And now let's move on to the second quiz. So here are the questions. Who was known as an impartial justice towards the people? So which ruler was known as his impartial justice towards the people from their religious faith? Now the second question was who was the first ambassador of East India Company who came in India? And he came in 1615 and he established the first English trading post at Surat. Now the third question, who was the first representative of the East India Company? Now this is the captain who came in 1608 and he was the first representative of the East India Company. Fourth, who was also known as Alamgir. So one ruler of the Mughal dynasty named himself Alamgir. Now the fifth question, who developed the Bandobast or the Zapti system? So it was the system in which the land revenue was fixed. Now it was the land revenue system. Now let's move on to the sixth question. Who built Ibadat Khana? Ibadat Khana is at Fatehpur Sikri. And seventh, who introduced in the Mansabdari system? So the question is who introduced the Mansabdari system? Which ruler introduced the Mansabdari system? Now the eighth question is which ruler led the Mughal Empire in crisis? This means that after which ruler the Mughal Empire was going to decline soon. Now the ninth, whose invasion in 1739 weakened the Mughal power? So there was some Afghan who invaded the India that weakened the Mughal power. So you have to name him. Now the 10th, by which numerical value did the salary of the Mansabdar was determined? So the officers joining the Mughal army were known as Mansabdars, and by which value did the salary of the Mansabdars determine? And this is all for the quiz answers. So first one is Jahangir. Second is, so the answer of the first question is who was known for his impartial justice towards the people? So the answer is Jahangir. Now the second question, who was the first ambassador of East India Company who came in India? So Sir Thomas Roy came in India in 1650. Now third, who was the first representative of the East India Company? The answer is Captain William Hawkins who came in India in 1608. Now fourth, who was known as Alamgir? So Aurangzeb named himself Alamgir. Now fifth, who developed the Bandobast or the Zapti system? Raja Todamar, he was the finance minister of Akbar and he developed the Bandobast or the Zapti system. Now sixth, who built the Ibadat Khana? Akbar built the Ibadat Khana at Fatehpur Sikri and he was very he used to believe in all the religions. Now 7th, who introduced in the Mansabdari system? So Akbar introduced the Mansabdari system. Now 8th, which ruler led the Mughal Empire in crisis? So Aurangzeb led the Mughal Empire in crisis because he gave huge amounts of Jagir, the area assigned to the Mansabdar, and so to the nobles, and nobles started taking more money from the peasants, and that's why. Now 9th, which invasion in 1739 weakened the Mughal Empire, Mughal power? So Nadir Shah invasion in 1739 also, that also weakened the Mughal Empire. Now 10th, by which numerical value did the salary of Mansabdar was determined? So by the Zat, there was a value by which the salary of the Mansabdar was determined. Now these are all the answers written. Now this is all for the quiz. Thank you. And do you want such more quizzes? Don't forget to write the answers in the chat box if you know. And like, share and subscribe, and thank you for 100 subscribers. Bye.